Good morning, kids. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, kids, today we're going to learn Farm Animals Part 2. Did you still remember? Last week we have learned 3 farms animals. What is it? It is cow, horse, and duck. Okay, kids, what is the sound of duck? Quack, 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 quack. And what is the sound of horse? Neigh, neigh. And last, what is the sound of cow? Moo, moo. Okay, good. We're going to learn 3 more farm animals. Are you ready, kids? Okay, let me start. Let me sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. 1, 2, 3. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some goat, E-I-E-I-O. And a bat here and a bat there. He bat there, bat everywhere, bat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This is goat. Good. What is the sound of goat? Bah. Bah. Good. Okay, kids. Goats have 4 legs. Goats have 4 legs. Good job. Okay, next animal. We sing Old MacDonald once again. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicken, E-I-E-I-O. And a cook here and a cock there. Here cock, there cock, everywhere cock. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, kids, chickens have 2 legs. This is chicken. Chicken has 2 legs. Good. And chicken has 2 wings. But chicken cannot fly. Good. Okay, kids, what is the color of the chicken? The chicken is color white. Good. And what is the sound of chicken? Cook, 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 cook. Good job. Okay, kids, next animal is let me sing once again. 1, 2, 3. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. And a baba here and a baba there. He ba there, ba everywhere, baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, kids, sheep. This is sheep. Sheep have 4 legs. Okay, good. Sheep is same like goat. Sheep have white wool. White wool. Good job. And sheep sounds ba, ba, ba. Good job. Okay, kids. Today we have learned 3 kinds of farms animals. And what is it? It is sheep, chicken, and goats. We have learned, so in total we have learned 6 kinds of farms animals. Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye. Stay at home, stay safe.